So they have the same foundation without the tail. So, and you can call this one here, we'll call him, and we add a line down right here. So same foundation with no tail, except they have a line coming down. And so now this one is called ta. You start with your mouth together. Ta. There is a difference between this one here, ta, and ta. Ta. Ta and ta. Okay. The next one is thicker, with emphasis on the tongue, as if you're saying, for example, toilet. Tall, ta, and like the one that we said, it's ta. Okay, so this one doesn't have a dot, but this one gets a dot on top, and he's called dhad. Now, there is a difference between this one and this one. This one is dod. This one is dhad. Because if you compare them, the tongue is flat. The tongue is flat in the dhad. This one, dod. This one is the dhad. So the tongue is rolling forward. So let's recap, inshallah, so you can see how it's pronounced. Let's start with the alif. Alif. Ba. Ta. Tha. Jim. Ha. Kha. Dal. Dhal. Ra. Zay. Sin, sheen, sad, dad, ta, and the last one is dhad, the.